Have you ever wondered where crepes came from and how are they being made? It is so easy that in less than 3 minutes you will learn. Welcome to another weekly upload of the recipe at the Artisan Kitchen. This is Mariola and I will be your guide. Today we are going to learn how to make crepes and cheese blintzes. The history of crepes started as a mistake of a French housewife in the 13th century in Brittany, France. Her mistake of dripping some of the porridge on a hot, flat iron cooktop resulted in a crisp pancake that oddly tasted quite well. And soon, crepes were very popular and served in a variety of ways, the sweet and savory. One of the ways of serving crepes is the stripe of a filled and folded crepes that go by the name of blintz and is thought to have originated in Central Europe, Poland, Hungary, Slovakia, that general area. That's when blintzes first began to appear on the European culinary map. You might already know that the French have their own crepe day on February 2nd. Jewish people in Europe enjoy blintz with cheese treats late spring during the Shavuot holiday. To make crepes batter, you will need 3 large eggs, 1 cup flour, 1 cup milk, 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, vanilla, and half of a teaspoon of salt. Mix all of the ingredients into nice batter. Make sure that there are no lumps, so whisk it really very well. I usually take my eggs a little while before so they are room temperature. They whisk much better that way. And sometimes I find that if butter is too loose, I add a little bit more flour to make it thicker. The consistency of your mixed batter should be a little bit lighter than what you use for pancakes generally. So now let the batter rest for a little bit or put it in the refrigerator for overnight. Pour about 1/3 of a cup of the batter on a heated medium-sized pan on a medium flame. Spread it all around thinly and wait until it dries out before turning over. You can turn the crepe over with a spatula or you can flip it the French way. Now that method requires a little bit of a practice, but please don't be discouraged when your crepe flips up and does not make it back to the frying pan. It happens to the best of us. Eventually, you will be able to flip and show off to your family and your friends. Once the crepe is done, put it on a plate with the others to cool off a little. For the stuffing, you will need 1.5 cup of ricotta cheese. And in one of the previous videos, I have taught you how to make cheese, and the ricotta is one of them. Then you add 1/2 cup of the cream cheese to make it softer. Zest from 1 lemon, 1 room temperature egg, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 pinch of salt. Now mix all of the ingredients with electric mixer until nice, fluffy, and smooth with no lumps. You can do this with a manual whisk, but the electric method is so much better and faster. So here's how you fold the crepes into blintzes. On the top left, you see you put about 1 tablespoon of your cream. You roll it up, then you fold the sides. You roll it up tightly, kind of like an egg roll, into shape of a blintz. Brown your Blitzes on both sides and put them on parchment paper lined baking sheet. Put them into preheated oven at 325 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, you might want to keep checking so they are not overbaked. It's definitely fun to serve them and watch everyone around you lighten up when they see it on a plate. So here is the indulgent way of wonderful cherry syrup with the cherry compote on the side and the mint, a little dusting of powdered sugar to top it off. Delicious with a cup of tea. And here is a little bit lighter version without syrup for those of us that are watching the waistline. Both are very delicious. This one is a little bit less sweet. I hope you enjoyed watching the video of how crepes became so popular and how to make them and how to make blitzes. Please check out our website artisankitchen.online for other online cooking classes that we offer and how to sign up for the membership where you get the free monthly recipes. Again, if you have not done so already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you will be in the know each time I am uploading the new weekly video. Enjoy!